Good morning, everyone. I'm Neha Das, and today we're taking a drive, not on asphalt, but through ethics, technology, and the human future. My topic is autonomous vehicles and society, a critical reflection. The world of driverless cars often looks sleek, chrome, sensors, AI perfection. But beneath that glossy surface lies a crossroads of engineering dreams and moral dilemmas. This presentation, The Unseen Road Ahead, explores that hidden side. How innovations meant to save lives can also reshape jobs, laws, and even our sense of responsibility. Because the question isn't just, can we build machines that drive themselves? It's, can we live with what they decide? So, let's start the engine.
The autonomous vehicle is without a doubt an engineering triumph. It's the product of years of integration across AI, robotics, and sensor technology, all designed to solve a major human problem: transportation inefficiency and human error. The primary promise, our engineering dream, is a drastic reduction in accidents, saving thousands of lives and billions in costs. This is a massive win for public welfare. However, our critical lens must now ask, does a technical solution create an even larger social problem? We need to look beyond the function and analyze the consequences. Let's start with the intended beneficiaries. The gains are significant. First, enhanced safety. Eliminating human factors like fatigue and distraction is a game changer. Second, inclusion and accessibility. AVs provide unprecedented mobility for non-drivers, the elderly, people with disabilities, or those too young to drive. This is a huge leap for personal independence. And finally, optimized urban planning. Fewer needed cars, optimized routes, less congestion. The quality of life in dense cities stands to improve dramatically.
Now, for the trade-offs, the people and systems that are left behind. The most immediate social crisis is the job displacement crisis. Millions of people globally, from long-haul truckers to taxi drivers, rely on driving for their income. As engineers, we design the system, but society must deal with the mass unemployment that follows. That's the ethical gap. The second, more philosophical issue is the trolley problem. When an unavoidable crash occurs, the car's algorithm must make a premeditated moral decision: save the occupant or save the pedestrian. We are building a moral machine, shifting ethical responsibility from an instant human reaction to a programmed choice. Third is the digital divide. High-cost sensor infrastructure like 5G networking and detailed mapping is costly and complex. This could lead to a mobility gap, where advanced AV access is limited to wealthy urban centers, further isolating rural or low-income communities.
While AVs operating efficiently as electric vehicles offer clear benefits in the operation phase, we must look at the full life cycle. There are two primary environmental risks. The first is the manufacturing cost. The complex hardware, LiDAR, radar, powerful AI processors require large amounts of rare earth minerals. This extraction and fabrication process carries a high energy and environmental burden up front. The second is e-waste and disposal. These sensor systems and tightly integrated electronics are extremely difficult and expensive to disassemble and recycle. Without a robust recycling strategy in place, the mass proliferation of AVs risks creating a substantial new source of complex e-waste. Our design must account for the product's entire lifespan, from cradle to grave. This entire exercise of breaking down the autonomous vehicle, the engineering triumph, forces a fundamental change in how I view my future profession. The lesson learned is clear. The toughest problems facing engineering today are no longer just technical, they are socio-technical. For me, this redefines the engineering mandate. Our job is not just to build something that works, but to build something that is just, inclusive, and sustainable. As a future engineer, this reflection solidifies 3 core commitments I plan to prioritize in my work: anticipation, inclusion, and ethics. We must proactively model negative social consequences, design solutions for everyone, and integrate human-centric moral frameworks directly into our code. The ultimate challenge is to ensure that innovation truly serves all of society.
To summarize, autonomous vehicles are a powerful leap forward for safety and mobility, but they force us to confront profound challenges in social equity, ethical responsibility, and sustainable disposal. The future of engineering success won't be measured purely by speed or efficiency, but by the strength of the social framework we build around the technology.